The BMW E92 is known for its balance, power, and handling. But to turn it into a true race car, it takes more than just speed, it takes precision, engineering, and dedication. Today, we'll take you through the first steps of transforming a BMW E92 from a street car into a track beast. The first step in any race car build is reducing weight. We remove the interior, seats, carpets, soundproofing, anything unnecessary for performance. This improves power-to-weight ratio and gives space for essential racing modifications. A roll cage is installed to enhance safety and chassis rigidity. This helps in high-speed cornering, giving the car better stability. Welding reinforcement plates in key areas ensures the car can handle extreme forces on the track. Stock suspension is replaced with fully adjustable coilovers for better handling. Sway bars and control arms are upgraded to reduce body roll. High-performance brake pads and rotors are installed to handle the intense braking needed in racing. Grip is everything. Wider, lightweight wheels with semi-slick racing tires give maximum traction, allowing the E92 to stay planted through corners. A proper alignment setup ensures the best performance on the track. A racing air intake and exhaust system improve airflow and engine response. A tune optimizes the EQ for maximum power delivery. Cooling upgrades, like an aluminum radiator and oil cooler, prevent overheating during long track sessions. A front splitter, rear wing, and side skirts improve downforce and stability at high speeds. The final touch is a lightweight racing seat and harness for the driver's safety and control. Transforming a BMW E92 into a race car is about more than just speed, it's about balance, control, and engineering. This is just the beginning of our build. Stay tuned as we take it to the track and push it to its limits.